For which one of the following Bohr's model is not valid? Option number 1, hydrogen atom. Option number 2, singly ionized helium atom. Option number 3, neutron atom. Option number 4, singly ionized neon atom. So we are going to see here it is given which is not valid. The Bohr model is not valid for which type of no among the four things, for which atom it is not valid, that we have to find it out. First we start with the first one, that is the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is represented by 1H1. So it is ZXA. Z represents the atomic number, A represents the mass number. So Z represents the total number of electrons and protons in an atom. So the hydrogen atom contains one proton and one electron system. So for single electron system, the Bohr's model is very successful in finding the energy levels of the electrons, energy values of the electrons, or everything can be explained in a clear way. And it is very successful also. So it is valid. So the first option, no, it goes wrong. If we go to the second one, and singly ionized helium atom. So helium atom means first I'll write the formula. So it's given by 2He into 4. 2He4 means it contains 2 proton, 2 electron and 2 neutron system. So in terms of diagram, if I take this one as the nucleus, so two protons and 2 neutrons are inside, surrounded by the 2 electrons. Singly ionized helium. Singly ionized helium means I am going to remove one electron, okay, out of the shell. When one electron is removed, only one electron is orbiting around the nucleus. Okay, then it takes the form of the hydrogen. So it takes the then Bohr model. It is capable of explaining, okay, the singly ionized model or helium atom very successfully. So this option is also wrong. If we go to the option number 3, that is deuteron atom. So deuteron is an isotope of hydrogen, and deuteron contains one proton, okay, one proton and one neutron and one electron system. Okay, one proton, one neutron, and then one electron system. So we know that for a single electron system, the Bohr's model is very successful. So for a neutron also, okay. So the this option is also wrong. So the fourth option is no, that is the correct answer, and we'll check why it is correct answer. Okay, if you go to the option number 4, it is said neon atom. Okay, neon atom, it is represented by 10 Ne20. Okay, so it contains 10 electron, 10 proton, and 10 neutron system. So in terms of atom, no, in terms of diagram, we have 10 protons and 10 neutrons are inside, surrounded by the 10 electrons, okay, in the shells. So you imagine that here it is given singly ionized. I am going to remove one electron out. Okay, if I remove one electron, so how many electrons are there? Means the remaining 9 electrons are there, that is surrounding the neon nucleus. Okay, so what happened in this case? This 9 electron system cannot be explained by the Bohr model. Okay, this is a multi-electron system that is explained by some higher models like heart rate model. Okay, so these models will explain successfully the energy state and arrangement of the electrons. All these things can be explained in a proper way, but Bohr's model is not successful with the neon atom. So the correct option is option number 4, singly ionized neon atom. Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for important updates.